What is up, everybody? Thanks for stopping back today. We're going to unbox my Glossybox for June of 2020. This box retails for $21 a month, contains 5 items with a value of up to $60 per month. So let's get into this. Hey, thanks again for stopping back today. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button and join me for the next time I unbox something awesome for your entertainment. Open up our Glossybox. It looks like this. It comes wrapped so beautifully every month. It's just absolutely gorgeous packaging. Makes me feel very, very special. Comes with this really cute brochure. Contains all the items, a couple ideas of how to use it, and then usually it tells you where to find the product. Sometimes contains a discount code and always a nice little tip. So the theme for this month is World of Beauty, which is super fun. So they went and scoured the globe for awesome items from each corner of the planet. So let's see what they found us. So you open it up. Oh, look at this cute tissue paper today, this month too, with all the compass and palm trees, Big Ben's on there. Ooh, cool. So we open it up. Looks like so. Let's see what our first item is. I see a Tony Moly, which is super great brand. They have awesome face masks and such too, serums. These are going to be some makeup wipes. Peach Punch Cleansing Tissue. I gotta smell it. If it's peach, that's for me. So these retail, this is a Deluxe 8 count. So this is, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh, yep. All right, well, Mama's going to have to grill up some peaches soon. So that retails for $7 for the little 8-pack. Super cool. Next item I see in here is by Chorus. Okay, so this is a Greek yogurt nourishing probiotic gel cream, rich in collagen building protein. This Greek moisturizer is perfect for reducing redness and adding a plump bounce to your skin. This deluxe size 20 milliliter sample is worth $18. The full size retails for $36 at 40 milliliters. So nice value there. Next item I see in here is by Decorte. It's a liposome moisture boosting serum. So this little guy here. Right. So this is $22.50 for this little 9 milliliter deluxe mini, and a full size retails for $50 at 20 milliliters. Next items in here, or item in here, excuse me, is by Model Co from Australia. It's a velvety liquid eyeshadow by Model Co. Oh, pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. So this is full size, $19 is what this retails for. I'm really excited to use that. I actually used like a liquid on my eyes today. So very exciting. I really enjoy liquid shadows. I think they last a nice long time. Here's the last item for the box. Well, technically second to last, I guess. Rodale Vitamin C Energizing Sheet Mask. This retails for $18, so that's awesome. Holy smokes. This brand is from the UK. Instant Rejuvenating, Retexturizing, and Illuminating Mask with vitamin C, B3, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid. You know how I feel about hyaluronic acid. Then the last item in here is just like a little extra treat, they're calling it. So this is called High Beauty. As y'all know, I love the benefits of CBD on my skin. So two little packets here. One is a facial moisturizer and one is an oil. 32% cannabis sativa oil and 20% cannabis sativa seed oil. So cool. Very exciting. Very nice little box. So the overall retail value of this box is $84. Not too shabby. All right, so a $21 box retails for retail value of $84 for all the items in it. I am super satisfied. You guys stay tuned because the next video I have for you is going to be a mega Ipsy haul. So I'm really excited to share that with you. It's going to be a huge haul, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.